Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
My name is Ebun Oloyede, popularly known as Igwe. We are here to do prayer for our man, our friend, our colleague, late Afolabi, known as Murphy Afolabi. And we have a solid reason why we should do this prayer for him, because when he was alive, he was the coordinator of our team. Our campaign team is Connecting Grassroots Initiative, CGI, which I am the DG, and then Murphy is the coordinator, is number 2. Due to his role in the CGI, we need to do that kind of prayer. Murphy, people cannot forget Murphy just like that. Murphy was a very, very, very strong man. He played a lot of good roles in CGI. And then, besides that, we should know that Murphy is a colleague. He was a theater practitioner, a director, and a film producer. So he deserves all this prayer, and I would believe this kind of a thing, God should please end it in our midst. So may his soul rest in perfect peace. Murphy Afolabi, goodbye.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.